Hello, my name is Dylan Phillips. Today I'll be talking about the loss of topsoil. The key points I'll be going over are: what is topsoil? Why is topsoil important? How is topsoil being lost? And what can you do about it? What is topsoil? Topsoil is the outermost layer of soil. On average, topsoil is roughly 5 to 10 inches deep. Topsoil has the largest amount of microorganisms and organic matter. It is where most of Earth's biological soil activity takes place. Topsoil is made up of organic material, water, minerals, and air. Why is topsoil important? About 95% of the world's food is grown in topsoil. This obviously means topsoil is of the most important parts of our food system. Without being able to grow food, how can any person or animal survive? Losing topsoil has drastic environmental consequences. Topsoil is how the earth filters water and sustains a healthy climate. Soil can absorb 3 times the amount of carbon that our atmosphere can hold. Carbon-rich soil is fertile soil. If we didn't till our land on an industrial scale, our soil would be able to absorb and hold 3 times the amount of carbon that our atmosphere can. If we allowed topsoil to do its job of absorbing carbon, the carbon footprint from the use of fossil fuels would be completely negated. How is topsoil being lost? Topsoil is being lost through industrial agriculture. Our industrial agriculture practices are not sustainable. Every time we till up the ground, we are depleting our topsoil. Not only does tilling loosen the soil, making erosion easier, but it also disrupts all the biological activity that occurs within the soil. It releases carbon that was being stored in the soil and sends that carbon out into the atmosphere. Tilling the land, planting crops with shallow root systems such as corn and soybeans, wheat, aids in our soil washing and blowing away. Without a deeper root structure system, there's nothing anchoring that soil in place. Our societies need to further expand and commercialize our landscape by clearing natural prairies, draining wetlands, making more farmland, and more golf courses is destroying our topsoil. We are constantly disrupting the natural flow of organisms and nutrients in our soil and not ever allowing it to recuperate. We treat our soil like it is a renewable resource, but in fact it is not. It can take up to 1,000 years to rebuild a single inch of lost topsoil. What can you do about it, you might ask? I implore you to research the issue. Just become very well informed on the subject, and then inform others about it. By becoming informed yourself and informing others, you're creating a greater awareness of the issue, thus increasing the chance of being able to remedy this issue before it becomes far too late. You can also write your state representatives on the issue. Get them aware that they have constituents that consider this to be an important item, and hopefully we can get them to bump up to the top of their agenda. By getting the government more invested, we have a pretty good chance to start making significant improvements in our soil use. Thank you for your time.